everyone, this is Namita and I welcome you again on my YouTube channel Dance with Namita. Today we are here to learn a belly dance move. In previous video, what we have learned? Hip twist, right? Yes. So today we'll also learn one move which is called hip drop, which is very common and famous move of belly dance. So let's quickly begin with today's session. Lifting my chest up, hands besides body, and pelvis tucked in. So for hip drops, what we are going to do, lifting my right hip up and dropping it down. Then lifting my left hip up and dropping it down. So this is called hip drops. Let's do this continuously. When I am going to lift my right hip up and dropping it down, my left leg should be parallel to the ground. 1, 2. Then I am lifting my left hip up and dropping it down. So we'll do this step 4 times. Ready? Lifting it up, dropping it down, lifting left hip up, dropping it down, again lifting right hip up and dropping it down, lifting left hip up and dropping it down. So this is hip drops. We'll do these hip drops continuously, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we'll add one more variation in this step. So what is that? I am standing diagonally, legs apart, folding my hands and placing my left foot forward, lifting my hip up and dropping it down. Again, lift your left hip up, drop it down. Again, lift your left hip up, drop it down. One more time, up, and we'll go down. So we'll add one more variation in this hip drops. That is, we'll kick our left leg up like this in the upward direction. So we'll do hip drops 3 times and then we'll kick our left leg in the upward direction. So fold your both hands, legs apart, placing left foot forward, then lift your left hip up, go down, again up, down, up, down, and then kick your left leg up. So we'll do this step continuously 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I hope you understand how to do a hip drops. Let's practice this on music. Let's try 1, 2, 3, 4 and start. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stop. So practice this hip drops daily. Watch my video. Go to my YouTube channel and check my first tutorial. In that I have taught the hip twist. Learn that, practice that. Stay connected for my next video. Bye and thanks for watching.